What's up guys, it's your girl Neesyraychelle and I'm back at you with another video. So today's video is going to be a mini Express haul. Express is a clothing store. I believe they are national, but if not, you can shop with them online. So I did pick up a few items during their Black Friday sale, and I don't know why they gave your girl this big old bag. But they gave me this big old bag, so let's get to it. So I filmed myself trying on the items, so I'll put them right there or something. And I don't really know where I started, so we gonna just roll with the punches, okay? Okay. So most of the items that I got from them were from the Body Contour collection. It is a high compression smoothing contouring collection. So the first thing that I'm showing you all is this chocolate bodysuit. It is a long sleeve bodysuit, and y'all, it definitely contours your body. So of course I'm gonna put it here, but that's me trying it on. I did get this in a size medium. It's very comfortable, especially in the crotch area. Me and bodysuits don't usually get along well because of the crotch area. It seems to be cutting all the time, but for whatever reason this one is so super comfortable, and it doesn't feel like it's cutting. So I think this would be something that I could wear like all day. It is kind of like a thong back, so I probably won't wear underwear with it, but you can do that if that's what you prefer. But usually with my bodysuits, especially these thong back bodysuits, I can't put none on. I'm sorry y'all. TMI. But that doesn't work for me. So I did get this in chocolate. I'm also going to go back and get more colors because this is like super comfortable and great to wear with jeans. You can wear them with skirts. You can dress it up. You can dress it down. So I need more. The next thing I got is this green contour bodysuit. This one is, would it be considered like a tank? I guess it would be considered more like a tank. It is tank top straps on it, and of course bodysuit. This fits really nice as well. Super comfortable yet again. It does also have the thong back to it. And I got this in a size medium as well. So if you all know from previous videos, I usually get everything in a large because of the girls. So I think because this has so much stretch in it, I was able to go a size down in everything. So I pretty much went a size down in all the Body Contour collection. And of course, when I go back in to get more of this collection, I will continue to get the medium. Now, during their Black Friday sale, all of these tops were $20. They are regular price $48 per top. So if you missed that, I'm sorry. You're gonna have to catch them on their next little thing, because Express usually runs deals throughout the year. Like sometimes it's 40% off. You might get 30% every once in a while, but some of these were actually on clearance, guys. So like if you go to the clearance rack, you might find a couple of the Body Contour collection items, maybe the colors that are not in season anymore, and they're usually priced down. And I think my next item was on the clearance rack, so let me check that. So yeah, the next item I got is another tank, except this one is just a tank that I got from them, and it's kind of like cropped. So this I did get in the medium as well, and it was on the clearance rack, even though it's the same chocolate color. I guess because of the season change, this one is a tank, so it's on the clearance rack. It was on clearance for $34.99. The regular price was $44, and I believe it was 50% off, so I paid like $15 for this top. Again, stretch is there and super comfortable, and for it to be a crop, it's like more of a midriff crop, so it doesn't crop too high where your whole stomach is out, but it crops low enough where if you would put on some high-waisted jeans or something with it, you wouldn't see your stomach. So I even got my mama to get one of these, y'all, and she shocked me with that, because I mean, you know, moms don't usually like to wear what their kids wearing, but she loves the compression in it and how they fit, so she did get a couple as well. And like I said, this is a mini haul, so your girl did not get a lot of stuff. When I did go back in there to get more of those tops, I don't think I was really feeling well that day, and it was just so many people in there because it was Black Friday. When I got these items, they were having their Black Friday sale, but it was like a little before Black Friday, so like it wasn't the day of. So I don't think a lot of people knew that they were having the sale, but you know, I did, and I went in there and I got what I got. So this last item I got was also on clearance. It's regular price $70. I got it for, well, the clearance price was $49.99, which means I got it for $25 instead. And I did get this in a size small. It is this sweater skirt. And I don't know, so this is the skirt. I really liked it because of this little split right here. Like, I just thought that was so cute, y'all. And like I said, it's a size small, so you know it has to have good stretch to it. Like, y'all know, no stretch, it don't work for your girl. But it was funny because when I picked this up, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Like, what size is it? And I checked the size and I'm like, dang, what I'm gonna do with a small? And I was like, you know what, it has stretch, let me try it on. So I did go ahead and try it on, and it fits. So I snagged this one. The material on this skirt, this is like that heavy sweater material. Like, you could tell it's good quality because of the weight on it. So I don't know when I'm gonna wear this because I do live in Florida and it is not cold here. I mean, the weather like drops a little bit, but then we're back in the 80s again. So I will have this here for when it's time for me to wear it, but I'm not sure when that's going to happen. So those were the 4 items that I got from Express. Again, this is a mini haul, which means you're not gonna get a lot out of it, but what I got, in total, I did spend $80 on everything, I believe. I think I stayed under $100 for the 4 items I got, which, if you know Express, that's really good for Express. Express is a little on the higher end when it comes to their clothing, but quality wise, they have really good quality clothing. So I will definitely, if I can find any of these items, I will link them down below for you all. And if you have an Express local to your area, definitely go in and check it out. Try things on. I believe dressing rooms are open pretty much everywhere now. I think they are here in my city, but you know, I live in Florida, so we wide open down here. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and remember to always stay chic, and I'll see you in the next one.